Red the Bearman. Okay, here we have the price of, what is it, $325. Oh look, a cat. Anyway, that's what they cost new, and then used, I saw them for $150 for ones in good shape. And this is, I don't know. This one is like $175 for the keyboard, and no, you cannot get on there. And so basically, these individual keyboards cost $68 a piece, and you have like, I don't know, about 48 screws along here, and then I have a box of them, a bunch. These are $68 a piece versus $325 for the palm rest and keyboard embedded. Most shops will replace this part and not do this part, but I take it one step further and pass my savings on to the customer. And so, say goodbye, and thank you for listening.